Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a store in the Boltfood application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you're in the home page, you can just look up there in your screen and you will find there a search bar. You can just press on it and you can write in something here that you would like to buy, for example a pizza. And you will be able to find here all these stores that sells pizza in the city that you are in, and you can just press on one of them and you can see basically the offers in the store. You can see in this case there are a lot of pizzas, and in the case that you want to share this store, you can just look at the top of your right corner and there you will see a search symbol and the share symbol. You can just press on the share symbol and you can see the link there. You can just copy it and paste it to wherever you want, to whoever you want, or you can just share this store in the apps down below. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.